So I don't want to anger you more. I hear that you're always on them. But I also want to let you know that when we came here, I understand that you're cleaning and I understand you have a lot going on.
No, you don't.
Okay, I don't understand. I hear what you're saying.
Watch out. Hey, behind you.
Stay back, stay back,
No,
stay back.
no,
Stay back.
no,
Stay
no,
back.
because that's my mom.
Stay
no,
back.
I don't have to stay
Yeah,
back.
you do.
Stay back.
Stay back. Get down.
Get your goddamn head off my motherfucking throat! Get your head off!
Get down.
You're breaking my arm! No, we're not. Oh, yes, you are!
Quiet.
Get off of me! Get out!
Quiet.
Get another car here!
I got it.
No! No! You're not! No!
Go ahead.
Oh, get off of me! I got that one down.
Hey, listen. Your arm is going to break if you don't stop.
I'm not doing nothing!
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not! No! Let me go! Let me go! You're breaking my arm! No one's breaking
I don't probably popped out of socket. Calm down, okay? It's over with. Calm down. You don't bully the police around. Okay? So calm down. Calm down. Hey, listen. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet.
Go outside. Go outside, please.
Are you gonna calm down and go to the car? Okay. Are you gonna fight with us anymore?
No!
Okay.
I'm not
If
going
you do,
to. I didn't even do nothing.
you're going to jail. You're going to jail.
We're gonna dance. Okay. We're gonna. You got it down. I'm not doing nothing. Right. You got that down?
Relax. Come on, what's going on with mom?
There, she's just yelling. Just yelling. What do you need?
Please. Yelling is not going to solve your problem. Are we cool for it? Is there a status on everyone here?
No, I'm not going to
You need to
jail.
relax.
I didn't do anything. I was just trying to get to my mom.
You want to throw in a price?
Mommy! Help me!
Can you try to find his camera?
Mom!
Over here.
One of the we are.
There.
Get off of me!
Can we find out what's going on in there? I have no idea.
Mom! Mom!
Relax.
No!
You can't help yourself at all. But
Her. Hold on. No, we got it. We got it.
Mommy! Mom! Mom! I can't! They're taking it to jail! Get out of here! Get off of me! I can't breathe!
well, in a second,
No,
if you stop yelling and relax, you will be able to breathe.
don't take me to jail!
That's already
I'm just trying to get to my mom!
Yeah.
Please get off of me!
You did something where officers couldn't, you know.
No, I didn't!
Yeah.
I just walked up
Just
on
relax.
it! I can't
Tight.
breathe! I can't breathe!
Give us a second.
Mom!
Okay.
All right.
I can't!
Now relax. All you gotta do is relax.
Do you need any medical attention? Do you need any medical
Yeah, I don't know
attention?
how hard that is.
Do you need any medical attention?
Yes!
What do you need medical attention for?
Let's just get her out. We'll.
No, we can do that.
Mom! Mom!
Hey, Harbo, give us some.
I'll grab it.
Hold on. Her leg, watch it. Slow down.
I gotta kill this.
No!
Who has a nice big back seat?
Let me go! I can't breathe!
For you.
Somebody get his car door open.
No, you don't! Let me go!
Going outside.
Help!
Relax.
Please,
Sure, I got it.
please let me go!
What's your name? I don't know.
I didn't do anything!
I have no idea.
Yeah, you don't listen.
No! Let me go!
What's your name, sweetie?
Please!
You need medical attention.
Yes!
For what?
I can't breathe! I got asthma! You got this damn thing too tight on me! Let me go!
Let me go see if I can find my key.
Somebody picked it up. I think Wilcox has it.
I just...
Okay. Let me see.
It's too tight. I can't breathe.
Yeah, let's throw it down.
Alright, Doris, over here, put on grass. Can you grab a feet, Doris?
Yep. Have her sit on her side. And this is kind of, yeah, let's, that's the hobble. We got to get that loosened. Let's,
Give it a second here.
hang on, we're going to loosen that.
So we're using the
This is way tight.
yeah, we
Which
need
one?
To, we need
This,
to
it's,
waist
there's,
shape.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, we need to loosen the waist shape.
Could have made it more comfortable if she wasn't going such a fit. Well, that's the only one you need to loosen.
no.
This one right
Okay.
here.
Well, let's just, you know what?
Let's just let her sit.
Let's hold off because we have rescue's coming right now. So let's just hold on to
Let's
the
just
feet.
undo this one.
Let's undo it and just hold the feet and just they're on our side and
What's your name?
just secure the feet.
Peoples.
Of course.
What's your name?
Vanessa Peoples.
Okay.
Dara, is this your key 680?
Close that door so
Yes.
we don't get hit in any way. Hang tight.
God, you had it too tight.
That was well before I put that on there. It's because you were fighting with us. That's why you can't
No,
breathe.
I didn't. I was gonna go see about my mom.
I told you to back off and you didn't do it.
You grabbed